Welcome to the demo of the Redwood Access Key Quality Information and Tasks on a Landing Page feature in manufacturing's quality inspection management. In this demo, we'll cover how to use the new quality management landing page in the Redwood experience. We'll demonstrate how to use the provided KPIs, which highlight the quality processes that need your attention, and show you how to easily navigate to other pages. This will facilitate better visibility of the quality processes across your enterprise, highlighting the processes which need your attention, and allow you to easily navigate to the relevant pages so that you can complete your daily tasks. We'll begin our demonstration as always logged in as a user that has quality engineer privileges, and we'll click on the quality management area. As you see, our new quality inspection management landing page opens up, and you'll notice that by default, we show 3 KPIs, which covers recent inspections in the last 24 hours, and we give you a count of the number of inspections that have occurred in that time period. We also show you another KPI, which shows failed inspections in the last 7 days, and of course, the count is there. And for plans awaiting approval, which mean they're in new status waiting for additional work. So let's start with the first one here. So as you can see, we have 20 inspections in the last 24 hours. We provided filters for you so you can search by a specific organization or a specific type of inspection, because these are all of the inspections, regardless of type, that have been started within the last 24 hours. So as you can see, not all of them are completed, but some of them are pending. They're waiting for additional results. And you can filter, you can filter them again by organization. You can also go ahead and click on them, and they will bring up the information of the inspection. We can take a look at failed inspections in the last 7 days. Again, we can go ahead and we can try and figure out why it failed. So we can go ahead and click on one of the failed inspections, and we can see that we have 10 samples. Of those, 8 were accepted, but 2 were rejected. And let's find out why. So we can scroll and say, here you go. 2 of them failed because they're water damage. So we can go ahead and we can say, hey, were any actions taken because of this? And we can see all the relevant information. So we can see that a couple quality issues were created. We can see that notifications were sent to the quality engineer to let somebody know that there is damage in the warehouse. Again, with the issue, it'll let somebody know so investigation can happen, and it's, heads towards the closed loop. Again, this is a quality issue created. If you have PR Kappa working, it would create a problem report for you. Okay. Again, we have filters by organization and type and inspected by. You can see, not the quality engineer, of course, isn't the only, role that can perform the inspection. So sometimes as part of your manufacturing process, you can go ahead and the person who's actually performing the operation can go ahead and perform the inspection. A maintenance engineer, as part of finishing their maintenance work order, can perform the inspection, a receiving agent, etc. So this is a way to look across all of the different inspections, regardless who performed them. We also have plans waiting approval. Again, you can filter by organization and type or search for a particular inspection plan. You can go ahead and have a look at that inspection plan, see where it's at. You may be going ahead and still working on defining specifications. So you can access all of that. And again, we have a count. Now, as I said before, these are the three KPIs that appear by default. If you have the permissions, you can go ahead and edit the page layout and add any visualizations or KPIs that can be created using OTBI, or choose, if you have access to the data, choose any of the ones that are predefined, and you can go ahead and add them. You'll notice we also have quick actions. So again, as we said, give you access to everything that you need to do your job. So if you need to go ahead and perform an inspection, you can go from here. Um, these are the defaulted um, list of actions. You can actually go ahead in here and you can pin whichever ones that are relevant to your job. You can change these up and it will change. If I wanted to put manage quality issues, it will go ahead and it will add that at the top and change your list of actions. The names of the actions change. It'll work whether you have Redwood or ADF forms enabled for each of these actions. It will show the name appropriately based upon the form. So we have new inspection here, which means I can create a new inspection, and that means it's Redwood. If it said create inspection, it would be using the ADF forms. Of course, we respect the profile options that are set for each of the different objects that we have. Right now, in terms of KPIs, as you can see, we only have quality inspection related KPIs. In the future, we will have PR kappa or quality issues and actions related KPIs available here as well. This concludes our demo. Thank you for listening.